Hello friends, welcome to the best to-do-list application tutorial. Today I'm just going to show you the mockups of the application we are going to build with React. Good, so this is it. This is going to be our landing page. Very simple, just one button, just three buttons, sign up and sign in with the get started button. The get started, when you click here, it takes you to the sign up page, and also when you sign up you go to your profile, which is made up of my to-dos and of your to-dos. So these are the to-dos. Now this part, when you're here, you can create, delete or update to-dos if you want. So to create a to-do, you just need to click there and you get this model come up. You enter a new to-do, and when you save, that to-do gets added. And you can also decide to add a to-do item, or call it a task under a to-do. So when you click here, this one comes up and you enter that task, that is, you create that task and click add. After adding, it also adds to the list. The next, you're going to, let's say you're done with the task, you can now click the done button, and when you click that, you get the ticks. So this is all about it. These are the basic functionalities of the application. So it's just the start. We might not design it exactly like this, but this is how it's going to look like. So this is why I decided to come with the mockup, to give us a purpose and a goal. So at least this is our goal for this tutorial. So guys, so if you find it interesting, please kindly like and share with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe if you've not done that already. And I'm going to add the link to these mockups in the description section below. And also tell me what you think about the mockups in the comment section, whether you like it or you think there's a better way we could design the mockups. I'm open to contributions. Thank you very much.